We're diving back into the official pilot to teach you more real Thai phrases, grammar, and tones. Let's get started.
เราเลิกกันเถอะเราเลิกกันเถอะ
Means, let's break up.
เรา
We, us, or sometimes I in informal contexts. In this sentence, refers to the two people in the relationship, emphasizing the shared action, breaking up.
เลิก
To stop, to quit, or to end. In this sentence, specifically means to break up or end a romantic relationship.
กัน
Together, or each other. In this sentence, indicates that the action involves both parties, making it mutual.
เธอ
This particle softens a suggestion, request, or command. It's used to gently urge someone to take action without being too forceful or demanding. In English, it can be translated as you'd better, why don't you, go ahead and, or let's, depending on the context. It implies a sense of encouragement, and sometimes, the reason behind the urging is implied or stated. When
กัน
is added before.
เธอ
It turns the phrase into a polite and inclusive suggestion, inviting someone to do something together. This combination is commonly used in daily Thai conversations for cooperative actions. For example,
ไปกันเถอะ
means, let's go. A polite suggestion to leave or go somewhere together.
เราเลิกกันเถอะเราเลิกกันเถอะยังไม่ตายอีกเหรอยังไม่ตายอีกเหรอ
Means, still not dead yet, or more naturally, are you still alive?
ยัง
Means, still, or yet. In this sentence, implies continuity, asking if the person remains alive.
ไม่
Means, not, or no. Negates the action of dying, meaning, not dead.
ตาย
To die or to be dead. Used in both literal and figurative senses to refer to death or something ending.
อีก
Again, once more, or still. Often indicates repetition or continuation of something. In this sentence, emphasizes disbelief, as if the person expected the situation, being alive, to change.
หรอ
It is an informal question particle commonly used in spoken Thai to express surprise, doubt, or to seek confirmation. It's typically placed at the end of a sentence to turn a statement into a question. In this sentence, adds disbelief or surprise, like asking really or huh.
ยังไม่ตายอีกเหรอยังไม่ตายอีกเหรอคิดถึงอะดิคิดถึงอะดิ
Means, you miss me, don't you?
คิดถึง
Means, to miss or to think of someone or something fondly.
คิดถึงอดีต
A particle used when stating something that is obvious or implied from the context. Often used to emphasize certainty or to gently challenge the listener, similar to don't you or huh in English.
คิดถึงอะดิคิดถึงอะดิงั้นก็ไปตายซะงั้นก็ไปตายซะ
Means, then go to hell, or then just go die.
งั้น
Means, then in that case or if so. In this sentence, it responds to the previous remark, suggesting an action based on it.
ก็
Means, then or so. Often used for emphasis or to connect thoughts naturally.
ไป
In this sentence, it means go as in telling someone to go away or do something.
ตาย
To die or to be dead. Used figuratively as an insult, meaning drop dead or go to hell.
ซะ ซะ
A particle that implies urgency or a sense of completion, similar to saying just or right now.
งั้นก็ไปตายซะ งั้นก็ไปตายซะ ว่ายังโกรธเราอยู่หรอ ว่ายังโกรธเราอยู่หรอ
Means, Bua, are you still mad at me?
ยัง ยัง
Means, still or yet. In this sentence, suggests that the speaker is asking if the anger is still present.
โกรธ โกรธ
Means, to be angry or mad.
เรา เรา
In this sentence, used as me, meaning the speaker is referring to themselves.
อยู่ อยู่
It is a versatile Thai word that can mean to be, indicating existence or presence, to live, referring to residing somewhere, still, when used with other verbs, indicating a continuing action or state. In this sentence, it emphasizes the ongoing nature of the anger.
หรอ หรอ
A question particle used to seek confirmation, similar to right or is that so? In this sentence, softens the question, making it more conversational and natural.
ว่ายังโกรธเราอยู่หรอ ว่ายังโกรธเราอยู่หรอ ไม่ได้โกรธ ตอนนี้มันเหลือแต่เกลียด ไม่ได้โกรธ ตอนนี้มันเหลือแต่เกลียด
Means, I'm not mad. I just hate you.
ไม่ได้โกรธ ไม่ได้โกรธ
Means, I'm not angry.
ตอนนี้ ตอนนี้
Means, right now or at this moment.
มัน มัน
Means, it or this. Refers to the situation or feelings being discussed.
เหลือ เหลือ
Means, left or remaining.
แต่ แต่
Means, only or just.
เกลียด เกลียด
Means, to hate or hatred. The speaker is saying that their feelings have shifted from anger to hatred.
ไม่ได้โกรธ ตอนนี้มันเหลือแต่เกลียด ไม่ได้โกรธ ตอนนี้มันเหลือแต่เกลียด เราคิดถึงเธอนะ เราคิดถึงเธอนะ
Means, I miss you.
เรา เรา
Here it means I.
คิดถึง คิดถึง
To miss.
เธอ เธอ
Here it means you, in a casual and friendly way. It can also mean she in some cases. Often used in relationships, casual conversations, and songs to express warmth and affection.
เราคิดถึงเธอนะ เราคิดถึงเธอนะถึงป้าอะไร ถึงป้าอะไร
This is an informal expression used to question someone's irrational or unexpected behavior. It can be translated to English as, what the hell is wrong with you? Or, are you crazy? The term
บ้า
means crazy or insane, and when combined with
อะไร
meaning what, it forms a phrase that challenges someone's sanity or actions. This expression is similar to English phrases like, are you crazy? Or, what the heck are you doing? It's important to use this phrase cautiously, as it can be considered rude or confrontational in certain contexts.
ถึงป้าอะไร
Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.
ป้าอะไร